Good day. Welcome back. Thank you again for putting in your email to get some more information on the best steps to take with your voice and data communications and your data networks. Now I know you're a serious managing director, company director, facilities manager, office manager, IT manager, who is seriously looking that when they upgrade and change their organization's communications platform, you do not want to get it wrong. I don't blame you. With so many new technologies out there at the moment, I can understand why it's confusing. Yeah. What we do for you at Paramount Enterprises, we would decide whether both of our companies together are a good fit. But what we would deliver for you is, first of all, you'll get a full network analysis. We have to do that, stage one, before anything, proposals, systems, anything else that makes everything else go together. The reason why, and that's why a lot of company systems do not work the way they expect it to work. Because unless the backbone, which is the network, is not only configured right, but has the capacity to deliver the performance you're looking for, it doesn't matter how much you spend on the equipment that goes on. Then we will decide on what sort of platform best suits your organization, both now and in the future. Is it going to be a PBX like Panasonic, NEC? Is it going to be a VOIP system that you keep on your premises with the SIP trunks and that go with it? Or is it going to be a hosted voice platform where it's just the phones are in your offices, but everything else is housed in the cloud? Once we've determined that, we will then plan a structured changeover from what you've got at the moment to your brand new communications platform. The facilities you require on it, whether it's call recording, call management, it will be implemented from day one. Thank you for listening. What I'd like you to do now is complete the application form on the right hand side. Tell us your goals for your company, how you're set up at the moment. Then we will arrange a much longer one-to-one telephone conversation between us. We will then go through what we can do for you, what you would like a company who you decide to work with to offer you. If we are a good fit after that, we can proceed to proposal levels and analysation levels. So have a great day. This is Neil from Paramount Enterprises. Thanks for listening. I look forward to working you into the communication family of Paramount Enterprises. Have a great day. Speak to you on the other side. Take care. Goodbye. And only then will we decide whether our two organizations are a good fit for each other. And if we are, we would like to welcome you to the family. One thing about our family, they stay with us because we bring results. Thank you for listening. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Take care. Goodbye.